Hi, happy Friday, happy weekend. I got my corned beef. I have lots of leftovers. Corned beef and cabbage. I went to the diner. At first I saw my mom. And then I went up to the avenue. I went to the bank. I went to the post office. And then I went to the diner and the bakery, and then the diner. The bakery, I picked up some Irish soda bread. She sliced it for me nice. Make sure you get something good to eat. Stay hydrated. My mom was good. She ate good. Everybody's Irish today. That's just the way it is. Everybody's Irish. Everybody in the pool. I love cabbage. It's warm out. Very warm. I got a package. Oh my gosh. Peace, love, and coffee. I love it. Oh, how nice. Oh. Again with the no mess. Oh, jeez. No, it doesn't say. Thank you so much. I love it. Enjoy your weekend. Get some corned beef and cabbage. And potato. Thank you again. Very groovy. Have a wonderful day. And I'll talk to you later.